5-minute drives are killing your car. Did you know those quick 5-minute drives could silently harm your car? While convenient for running errands, these short trips might be doing more harm than good. In this video, we'll break down the risks and show you how tiny changes can protect your car and save money. Short drives don't allow your engine to reach its optimal temperature. This incomplete warm-up prevents your engine oil from fully lubricating components, increasing wear and tear. Long-term, this can erode your car's overall performance and lifespan. Additionally, short trips take a toll on your battery. Starting the vehicle drains more power than brief drives can replenish. Over time, this could leave you stranded with a dead battery. When the engine doesn't fully warm up, unburned fuel can mix with your oil. This dilutes its effectiveness and increases engine grime. Regular exposure to this can cause corrosion, reducing reliability and necessitating repairs. To make things worse, moisture from combustion may not fully evaporate during short trips, leading to rust in your engine and exhaust system. That's a costly issue over time. Quick trips don't allow catalytic converters or emission systems to reach proper operating temperatures. This prevents your car from burning fuel efficiently, causing excess emissions and wasted gas. Poor fuel efficiency not only hurts your wallet, but also the environment. Car batteries charge while you drive. However, short trips don't let your alternator perform this task effectively. The repeated strain of starting without enough charging cycles weakens the battery gradually, increasing the risk of failure. Planning errands wisely can significantly reduce wear on your car. By combining multiple short trips into one, you'll allow the engine to warm up properly, minimizing harm while saving time and fuel. If your driving habits mostly involve quick trips, consider investing in a trickle charger. This device keeps your battery charged during inactivity, ensuring it stays healthy for longer. In colder climates, running the engine for a minute or two before short drives can help reduce long-term damage. However, avoid excessive idling, as it wastes fuel and contributes to pollution. Short drives may seem harmless, but they can cause significant damage to your car's engine, battery, and emissions system. Understanding the risks and adopting simple habits like combining trips or maintaining your battery can prevent unnecessary wear and save you money. Now armed with this knowledge, take steps to preserve your car's health. Plan your drives smarter, invest in proper maintenance, and share this video with other car owners. A small change in habits today can lead to huge savings tomorrow. Don't let short drives cost you big. Act now.